In this video, we're going to analyze Giorno Giovanna's quote from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。
何言ってんだお前。
謎を解けるんですね。お願いしますよ。
So today's quote is このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。The grammar is A には B がある meaning A has B. The A is このジョルノ・ジョバーナ。この means this, which is used to modify the following word, such as このペン meaning this pen. この人 meaning this person. So, このジョルノ・ジョバーナ literally means this Giorno Giovanna. But when この modifies the speaker's name or the first person pronoun, such as 私、俺, or 僕, it emphasizes that the speaker is the one which is referred to or makes it explicit. So, このジョルノ・ジョバーナ can be translated as I, Giorno Giovanna. And the B is 夢 meaning dream. So, このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある means I, Giorno Giovanna, have a dream. Here are some examples with the grammar. A には B がある。あのテニス選手には才能がある。あのテニス選手には才能がある meaning that tennis player has talent. この時計にはたくさんの機能がある。この時計にはたくさんの機能がある meaning this watch has many features. This grammar is used for possession of something abstract or intangible which the A can naturally or instinctively have, such as a dream, talent, feature, ability, and so on. In other words, you don't usually use this grammar for possession of something tangible that you can volitionally have, such as a pen, bag, car, and so on. Instead, for tangible things, you can use the grammar A は B を持っている。For example, 私はペンを持っている meaning I have a pen. 私はカバンを持っている meaning I have a bag. This grammar can also be used for intangible things, but it sounds more volitional rather than instinctive. Intangible things like a dream, talent, or ability are usually things that you instinctively have, so A には B がある sounds more natural. So today's quote, このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある means I, Giorno Giovanna, have a dream. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.